characteristics of Zener diode, the required circuit diagram. Now when you are connecting any electric circuit diagram, always place the apparatus as shown in diagram. Now this diagram, to make it simplify, what I did, if you see, here I did voltmeter, this is our voltmeter. Arrangement is voltmeter, vertically voltmeter, then Zener and milliampere, then source of battery. Voltmeter 1, this is second, this is third. So if you see, I just marked here for voltmeter, positive terminal, negative terminal, then second Zener diode and milliampere, and then we have a source of battery will place here, right? Now at this point we have a resistance box. See, I repeat, 1, 2, 3, and horizontally resistance box. So voltmeter position, Zener diode position, milliammeter position, battery position, and this is resistance box position. So we'll place our apparatus which are here in that order so that our connection becomes simple. Now we arrange the apparatus as shown in diagram. You can see here it is. This is voltmeter, then Zener, we have milliammeter, resistance box, and this is my battery. Now we'll just connect with the help of wires. Now see the circuit connection. I already did connection. Start connection always from positive of battery. Positive battery is connected to one end of resistance box. Second end of resistance box is connected to positive milliammeter. See the connection. This is positive battery, red is positive battery. Positive battery is connected to one end of a resistance box. Second end of resistance box, if you see, second end of resistance box is connected to positive milliammeter. Agree? And from same terminal positive milliammeter, it is connected to, see, positive of voltmeter. Same terminal is connected to positive of voltmeter. So positive battery to resistance box, second end of resistance box is to positive milliammeter, and it is to positive voltmeter. I repeat, positive battery is connected to one end of the resistance box, second end of resistance box is to positive milliammeter, and from milliammeter it is connected to positive of voltmeter. Now from negative voltmeter where it is connected, negative voltmeter is connected to, this is negative of Zener and this is positive of Zener, right? Negative of voltmeter is connected to positive of Zener and positive of Zener is connected to battery negative. So it is in a reverse bias. When negative battery is connected to positive of Zener, we have a reverse bias. So voltmeter negative is connected to positive of Zener. This is my Zener diode. Negative of Zener, positive of Zener. So voltmeter negative is connected to positive of Zener. Positive of Zener is connected to negative of battery, black terminal. Okay. Then this terminal, that is negative milliammeter, is connected to negative of Zener. You can see this circuit connection. You can see the complete picture of my circuit connection. Once connection is completed, we will proceed for reading part. For observation table, this is input voltage, that means this voltage to be measured. Then IZ, that is current through the Zener, that means which will measure with the help of milliammeter, and then output voltage, that means this voltage. Now students, we have to just measure this and this. No need to measure the input voltage, because in order to understand or in order to study the characteristics of Zener diode, we just require the graphical part. That is, if you see the graph of voltage across Zener to the current through the Zener, ये दो ही चीज मेजर करके अपने को ग्राफ निकालना है. And even if you see the in result also, we have breakdown voltage of Zener only. So no need to measure what we called as the input voltage. Reading part. Now, in order to change the input voltage, what you can do, you can remove the resistance from resistance box. There are two ways to adjust the input voltage. One by using the rheostat and second by using resistance box. As per our diagram, we have here a resistance box. So we have to proceed with the help of resistance box only. For initial part of the experiment, remove all the key from the resistance box because we are supposed to adjust the strength of the input current. So we'll remove all the resistance. If in resistance box, if you have infinity key, तो infinity का key निकालना नहीं है. You are not supposed to remove the infinity key. Except infinity key, you can remove all the keys. But if you see in my resistance box, I don't have the infinity key. इसमें infinity key कहाँ पे है क्या? Yes, here is the infinity key. So you will not remove the infinity key. I repeat, if in your resistance box, if you have infinity key, you will not remove the infinity key. Except infinity key, you will remove all the keys and place this. Whatever values are mentioned here, that value is equal to resistance box. जितना इसमें से तुम निकालोगे उतना तुम resistance adjust कर रहे हो. Also no need to measure the resistance because you are just concentrating what current and the voltage. Fine. For reading part, I change this volt millimeter so that scale must be visible. Now if you see the scale in this case 0 to 20 and there are 10 division, that means single line is equals to 2 milliampere, second line is 4 millimeter, then 6, then 8 and then 10. So one line is equals to 2 milliampere. In voltmeter, if you see 0 to 1, that means single line is 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and so on. For reading part, as I said, except infinity key, you will remove all the keys and you will go on just placing the key and note down the corresponding current and the voltage. I will keep this way so that both the things are visible to you. Now I am keeping key here. You see the current is 0 and voltage we have 1.8. So current is 0, voltage is 1.8. Again we'll keep this key, highest plug key. Infinity के बाद you go on keeping the highest value of plug key, right? Resistance box. You can make out 10,000, then I am keeping 5,000, then 2,000. Just go on adding this values. When I place this, now what is the value of current? Current still 0 and voltage we have 2.2. Current still 0, voltage is 2.2. Go on adding in this way the keys in resistance box. Current still 0 and voltage now we have 2.4. We'll add one more key. Current still 0, voltage is now you can see 2.7. Current 0, voltage is 2.7. We'll add again key, note down the current. Current now if you see the current is on first division, that means 2 milliampere. Current is 2 milliampere and the voltage is 2.9. Current is 2 milliampere, voltage is 2.9. Again we'll add this way. So this is actual process. Just go on adding the keys and note down the corresponding current and the voltage. Now this is pointer is on second division. अगर दो के बीच में है तो जो nearest रहेगा you will take that. If you see here it is between 2 and 3 but it is near to 2, so we will take second division, that means 4 milliampere. 4 milliampere and this is 3.1. Add one more key. Now we have current, that is fourth division, मतलब 8, current is 8, voltage we have 3.2. 8 and 3.2. Just take two more readings. What we have now here it is 6, 7th division, मतलब 14, current is 14 milliampere and voltage we have now 3.5. We'll add one more resistance. Now we have, this is 1, 2, 3, third division, मतलब 26, current is 26, voltage we have 3.6, right? We'll take one more reading. I'll place this and if you see now it is बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, not required up to this, only this much readings are more than enough. Okay, So actual procedure is, I repeat, just accept infinity key, all keys you will remove and just go on adding the keys from higher value. Higher value का पहले डालते जाने का 10,000 and then and so on, and note down the current and the voltage. So we got, these are the values for our current and voltage. Okay, no need to measure this value, इसका अपने को ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now graph part, that is V versus I. I just selected suitable scales, V volt and this is I. Here we take current के लिए 1 centimeter is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, and here 1 centimeter 0.4, 0.8, 1.2, 1.6 and so on. Just mark the points. As per my reading, I mark the values, right? Now we'll draw the freehand curve. I did the freehand curve, something like this. Okay. Now from here, from where sharp change takes place, from here you will draw the one line. यहाँ से एक line निकालोगे, and this voltage, whatever voltage you will get, this voltage is our breakdown voltage. This voltage जो भी suppose यहाँ पे 2.8 है, then breakdown voltage is 2.8, that you will write in a result. So breakdown voltage of Zener is 2.8 volt and so on. Thank you students.